Welcome to springlib.
Hello students, here the dominant trait is yellow kernel color. So we can represent this trait with the allele capital Y. The recessive trait is white kernel color. We can represent them by small letter y. So a white kernelled plant, which means it will be having both the allele in recessive condition small y, and here a homozygous yellow kernelled plant, that is capital Y genotypes. So this is parent 1 and parent 2. Now the gametes produced by each parents here will be of the same type because both the parents are homozygous. If we are considering one parent as male and another parent as female, so the gametes produced by the male parent will be having the genotype capital Y in them, whereas the gamete produced by the female parent having the genotype small y only because the parents are having the genotype as the homozygous type. Now, the phenotype and genotype of the F1 plant or F1 first generation will be when these gametes are crossed, we are getting a heterozygous genotype, that is capital Y and small y, that will be having yellow kernel because yellow is dominant over white and one capital Y is present in the genotype, which indicates it will be heterozygous but dominant type. When this F1 is self, which means F1 into F1, we get capital Y small y crossed with capital Y small y. So each parent will be producing two types of gametes, capital Y small y and capital Y small y by each of the parent. When we are crossing them, we get four type of progenies, among which one will be having capital Y as the genotype. Two of them will be having capital Y small y and one will be having small y. These are the genotypes. And the phenotypes will be, as we can see, capital Y is present in 3 offsprings, which means 3 of them will be with yellow kernel and one will be with small y that will be having white kernel. So it will be in a 3:1 ratio, that is yellow is to white. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.